Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying. In this video, I am going to teach you the first step of cursive writing, that is cursive strokes. But before that, I introduce you the name of 4-line, which is very important. So let's start. There are 4 lines in our English notebook. The name of first line is upper line because it is on the top. Upper line. This line is called lower line. Lower line or bottom line. This is called base line. And the second line is called headline. Base line is very important because each and every letter start from this line, and this is called headline. Every capital letter start from base line and touch to the upper line. So let's start our first step towards the cursive writing, that is cursive strokes. We start from difficult to easy stroke. So let's start from base line to upper line. Base line to upper line. Your formation should be correct. From base line to upper line. The same stroke we make from base line to headline. Base line to headline. Base line to headline. You may give the dotted stroke for practicing to child. You may give dotted stroke to the child so that they trace on it. Next stroke is start from base line to headline. Up, down, up, down. The same stroke we make from base line to headline. Next is the same stroke, but just we twist it on the headline. Next is down. Don't put up your pencil before completing a stroke. Please pay attention on the formation. Practice these strokes again and again. Definitely you will able to write cursive easily. So I hope you like this video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.